Osho says that mind cannot do anything about meditation. It simply does not know meditation, and there is no intrinsic possibility for the mind ever to come in contact with meditation. Just as I said before, darkness cannot come in contact with light. Mind is the absence of meditation. The moment meditation arises in you, mind is found nowhere. Meditation is a death of all that you are now. Of course, there will be a resurrection, but that will be a totally new, fresh, original being which you are not even aware is hidden in you. It happens in poetry, in music, in dance, only for a small moment that you slip out of your personality and touch your individuality. In meditation, once you are gone in, you are gone in. Then, even when you resurrect, you are a totally different person. The old personality is nowhere to be found. You have to start your life again from ABC. You have to learn everything with fresh eyes, with a totally new heart. That's why meditation creates fear. You will have to understand one of the most fundamental things about meditation, that no technique leads to meditation. The old so called techniques and the new scientific biofeedback techniques are the same as far as meditation is concerned. Meditation is not a byproduct of any technique. Meditation happens beyond mind. No technique can go beyond mind. But there is going to be a great misunderstanding in scientific circles, and it has a certain basis. The basis of all misunderstanding is when the being of a person is in a state of meditation, it creates certain waves in mind. These waves can be created from the outside by technical means. but those waves will not create meditation. This is the misunderstanding. Meditation creates those waves. It is the mind reflecting the inner world. You cannot see what is happening inside, but you can see what is happening in the mind. Now there are sensitive instruments. We can judge what kinds of waves are there when a person is asleep, what kinds of waves are there when a person is dreaming, what kinds of waves are there when a person is in meditation. But by creating the waves, you cannot create the situation, because those waves are only symptoms, indicators. It is perfectly good. You can study them, but remember that there is no shortcut to meditation, and no mechanical device can be of any help. In fact, meditation needs no technique, scientific or otherwise. Meditation is simply an understanding. Once you turn in, meditation has started. Meditation means the capacity to be joyously alone, the capacity to be happy with yourself. There is no need for the other in meditation. The joy of aloneness, not the misery of loneliness, is meditation. Meditation is not concentration. In concentration, there is a self concentrating, and there is an object being concentrated upon. There is duality. In meditation, there is nobody inside and nothing outside. It is not concentration. There is no division between the in and the out. The in goes on flowing into the out. The out goes on flowing into the in. The demarcation, the boundary, the border no longer exists. The in is out, the out is in. It is a non dual consciousness.